CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.7. Given a scenario, deploy and configure multifunction devices, printers, and settings. Printer settings and connectivity. When setting up a printer or a scanner, there are several important steps to consider. First and foremost, a connection type must be selected. For a printer or scanner that is directly connected to a computer, also referred to as a local connection, you would most likely use a USB interface, and probably a USB Type B connector. Though less common, the wireless Bluetooth interface can also be used as an alternative for a local connection setup. If the printer or scanner is to be made available to an entire network of devices, a wired network connection would be made with an Ethernet CAT cable that uses RJ45 connectors. And last up, the wireless alternative for a network connection would be Wi-Fi. Once the printer is connected, installing the appropriate drivers is essential for proper functionality. Drivers act as software intermediaries between the printer and the operating system, facilitating communication. Users may choose between generic drivers, which offer basic functionality but may not fully utilize the printer's capabilities, and manufacturer-specific drivers tailored to the printer model. Moreover, understanding print driver languages is important for efficient printing operations. Each printer interprets commands using various languages, each tailored to specific printing needs. Two prominent languages in this domain are Printer Control Language, abbreviated PCL, and PostScript. PCL, known for its widespread support, is commonly utilized for basic printing tasks across a range of printers. This language streamlines the printing process by efficiently translating data into printable formats, ensuring compatibility with various hardware configurations. PCL offers versatility and reliability, making it an ideal choice for everyday printing requirements in office environments and other settings where simplicity and compatibility are of great concern. On the other hand, PostScript represents the pinnacle of printing languages, offering advanced features and unparalleled quality. Developed by Adobe Systems, PostScript is renowned for its ability to faithfully render intricate graphics, intricate fonts, and complex page layouts with precision. This language excels in demanding printing environments, where exceptional print quality and fidelity are non-negotiable. With the printer connected and drivers installed, it is now time to move on to printer configuration settings. For now, I will just cover a few configuration options, starting with duplex printing. Duplex printing, also known as double-sided printing, is a feature that enables printers to automatically print on both sides of a sheet of paper. This capability not only saves paper, but also enhances efficiency and environmental sustainability in printing operations. In duplex printing, the printer is equipped with a mechanism that allows it to flip the paper over and print on the reverse side. This process typically involves two steps: printing on one side of the paper and then flipping it over to print on the other side. The benefits of duplex printing are multifaceted. Primarily, it significantly reduces paper usage, which translates to cost savings and environmental conservation. By utilizing both sides of the paper, duplex printing effectively halves the amount of paper required for printing tasks, making it an eco-friendly option for businesses and individuals striving to minimize their carbon footprint. In addition to duplex printing, orientation settings play a vital role in ensuring the correct layout of printed documents. Users can choose between portrait and landscape orientations, depending on the content and format of the document. Portrait orientation is ideal for documents with predominantly vertical content, such as letters and reports, while landscape orientation is better suited for materials with horizontal emphasis, such as spreadsheets and presentations. Selecting the appropriate orientation ensures that printed documents are visually coherent and aligned with their intended purpose. Furthermore, tray settings allow users to specify the paper source for printing tasks, ensuring compatibility with different paper types and sizes. Enterprise printers typically feature multiple trays or paper feeders, each designated for specific paper sizes or types. By selecting the appropriate tray settings, users can seamlessly accommodate varying printing requirements, from standard documents to specialized media, such as labels or envelopes. Lastly, the print quality setting on printers offers the user control over the level of detail and clarity in their printed materials. These settings typically include options such as draft, normal, and best, or similar variations thereof. The draft setting prioritizes speed, making it suitable for internal documents or drafts where print quality is less critical. Normal strikes a balance between quality and speed, making it suitable for everyday printing tasks like text documents or basic graphics. Then there is best, which offers the highest print quality but may require more time to render. This setting is ideal for printing high-resolution images or documents where exceptional clarity and detail are necessary. Users can choose the appropriate print quality setting based on their specific requirements, ensuring a balance between print quality and efficiency. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.